See, I think being born and brought up in Delhi was bad enough. No,
For sure. Let me do you.
Oh.
now right here.
It didn't help when you approach people and be like, I'm from the place that the parliament's at. Isn't that so cool?
Parliament is cool.
Oh, the parliament's damn cool.
What do you mean?
Have you been to the Asiatic Library?
I'm gonna die.
No, she's actually gonna die. We actually poisoned her a few minutes ago. Boop this, man. Boop this.
Boop, 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 boop.
I think because of the way you take your videos, it's like an angle, so it makes you look taller. But when you came in right now, I was like, oh.
Should I do
No!
that?
Yo! One sec, bro.
He does not care about his digital footprint at all.
Hari Om.
Hi guys, I am Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti.
I'm Anuj.
And we
Besharam.
are
Oh,
Besharam. Already
That's
fucked
okay.
up.
fucked up.
We expected that from Delhi, but okay.
Yeah.
How dare you? Can we do it again?
No, actually, let's keep it and we'll show
Yes.
how fucked up this dynamic is
Yeah.
already because we have not gotten
Great.
a great start.
Okay, we're off to a horrible start.
We are
Terrible.
clearly
Right.
terrible.
We are not fan of your roots.
Not yet?
Not at
No.
all.
I
Not at
promise
all.
I'll turn y'all. I'll turn y'all.
We will turn
Bye.
you
into.
Yeah, maybe. Into?
I'm
loving Bombay.
already there. I told y'all, I've
Yeah.
said this multiple times. I think Bombay better.
Okay.
So what's the point? Guys, video has
So
ended.
I think let's turn him back and send him to Delhi.
Yeah, maybe
Yes.
we need a perspective because there's a lot of chatter about how Delhi is better.
Huh.
Some people say
In
that.
some contexts, it is.
Mm-hmm.
But in most contexts, it's not. So,
Right. And coming from a man that's like big because men love Delhi.
men do love Delhi because roads. Great
yeah,
roads.
yeah.
Bike चला सकते हैं.
Apparently,
गाड़ी
they
चला-
don't call it rasta; they call it sadak.
Yeah,
Sadak.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
I have so much to talk
रास्ता भी
about the
बोलते
way.
हैं. रास्ता भी बोलते हैं.
Rasta बोलते हैं?
Yeah,
हाँ.
but like
मैंने कहीं तो सुना था.
अच्छा.
Ah.
गलत सुना था.
But there are so many comparisons between certain words that we say in Bombay and you guys say in Delhi.
Yeah.
Or like even over here, the whole concept of sectors being in Delhi is just so weird to me. That just sounds very crime related. Like, ये
That's
sector
why-
में ये
सेक्टर
हुआ.
17 में हुआ crime.
Exactly.
Exactly.
That
I couldn't
sounds.
think of
No,
a
you get
specific
it.
crime. I was thinking
Rape.
murder. I was gonna say rape, but then I was like,
No, but that's
Nahi.
true though.
First 3 minutes of a YouTube video, you're
and I've
saying.
already brought up rape.
Exactly. We're getting demonetized, bitch.
No.
But before we get demonetized, I need all of our audience, even though I know they know you.
Yes.
Please tell them what the fuck you do on the internet.
And who you
Yeah.
are.
All right, my name is Anuj.mp4.
Hey,
And I
God.
make funny content that's funny according to me, and unhinged, I think, content. You know, just random things, just things you probably wouldn't see on Instagram. I started this Delhi Bombay series.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You might know me by
Blown
Labubre.
up. Yeah.
Yes, we all
I do
do.
a character called Kabir.
Love.
And I also I put on a Versace robe and
As
he is
say
right
I'm a
now.
Versace- like, you know what I'm saying though.
And you know, I tried to match the aura, but mine's
I love that.
mine's my dad's.
I
It's
love
from
it.
Amazon.
It's great. I
But-
love it. It's so furry. Can I touch it?
Of course.
Oh, fucking
Do you
furry,
want
bro.
to exchange?
No.
He knows.
Why Kabir? Do you have a specific story behind the name Kabir?
No, actually, because Kabir is the most
Assholic.
sober coded. It's the most sober.
Sober-coded,
Like when you
yeah,
think,
yeah.
okay, think like the most sober guy you know. Okay, and okay, we play this game. Okay, we play this game. Okay, we're
Okay.
gonna play this game. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
Okay.
That if your name wasn't your name, what name would yours be? Okay.
I would die. That's the only name I like.
No. Like there's no option. Okay, now all three of us have to say a name, like her name, if it wasn't her name.
What's
like,
my name?
You like I
What's
you
my
all gave
real
me
name?
hard. Zia, bro, chill out. Come on, bro. What did I say? I said her. That's why. That's why.
Yeah.
Oh, you remembered
genuinely
it?
thought you
that was
forgot.
a callback.
Yeah.
No, I did then.
Okay.
I did.
You
I
did
just-
there
it
for a
came
little
back
bit.
to me.
You're like, Srishi, what's her name?
I didn't do that. Huh?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, valid.
So if Zia wasn't her name, what would her name be? Like she's giving me.
Yeah.
Let me go first.
You give. You give us
Please,
names.
please.
Amina.
no hate or shame to Aminas out there, but
No.
Why
you,
did you all?
Amina,
Why did I get that reaction?
Amina from school is watching this.
wait,
Yeah.
Amina is such an NPC name, dude.
So NPC.
It's so NPC.
Listen, I just go by the vibe of what I'm getting. It's not like you're an NPC, but just Amina fits the way you look.
Oh, no. You know what? I have an explanation for that. It's not AMINA, it's AMEENA.
Oh, I
That's
was-
worse, bro.
That's worse. I was gonna say
Really?
INA.
Let me do you.
Oh,
Now right here. I bet.
right on the table.
Straight up.
Vishal.
Shut the
Exactly,
I like
bitch.
this.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's a violation. That is
And
a
Amina's
violation,
great.
guys.
And
Vishal-
Amina's great.
Bro, guys, Amina is way better than Vishal, bro.
Pankaj.
Vishal is like.
Pankaj.
No, wait. Deepak.
Rage baited.
Guys, y'all are just
Rage
rage baiting,
baited.
right? This is not, y'all don't actually mean. Now let's see the real ones like Kabir, Ahan, Mehan, Aryan. Which ones you were going to say?
You give
Vedant.
Guys, what are these?
you give Krit for some reason.
I heard clit first of all.
That too, if you want it.
No, I think he gives Arjun.
This one I've got. This one I've
Arjun?
got.
Arjun.
Arjun, Aryan, Ahan, Ayan, Vihan, Kabir is what I've gotten. It's not like I know, I get it. Oh, all guys want their names to be this. This is what just I've gotten. Okay, and I'm not lying about this. Actually.
Okay.
Guys, let us know in the comments what are
Now
alternative
they're
names
going to
would
say,
be.
oh,
Wait,
you know,
wait,
like a
no, wait,
Siddharth
you
or something.
have to give us names
Yeah.
too.
Yeah. So now we go like that.
Okay. If you give me some fuck all names.
Okay, I'm also gonna say what I feel. It's Shreya. Shreya is not bad.
I'll take
Okay.
it. Oh, take it. Oh, wait.
Okay, so every name I say y'all have history with them.
No, but
Yeah.
you're giving such fuck all names.
Shreya is quite a common name. Bro.
Exactly.
Shreya.
It's a common
Sanjana
name.
is also a common name. Why would you give me more of a common name?
Oh, yeah, you know
True.
Sanjana? I bet. Shut up.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, Pankaj.
That's so polite. So
That's
polite.
crazy, bro.
Yeah.
No, Shreya
I'm gonna
is-
beef with you.
No, Sanjana is actually better than Shreya.
Yes,
Sanjana
thank
is
you.
way better.
Oh my
Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Sanjana, a hot girl name.
Thank
Sanjana,
you.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Now let's do her. Okay.
Yeah.
Right here.
Now I feel like I have to be so careful about what I
You
pick.
have to.
You have to.
You're on thin ice.
Yeah.
Neha.
Honestly,
Am I wrong?
I see
Am
it.
I wrong?
For you, for
I
your
see
face, I
it.
see it. It's not. It's better than
You hate it. You hate it. You don't hate it.
Neha's fine, babe.
Neha. Is
Neha.
good.
I'm also getting a little Priya. Priya.
No, not Priya. Not Priya.
Oh, okay, Priya's hard no. Priya's
Priya's a
hard
hard
no.
no.
Priya's
Yeah,
hard
yeah.
no.
Don't go down.
Neha is good.
Neha's just
I'm also getting another.
Yes.
I'm getting a Sanya.
Are you a psychic? Like you're like, wait. The universe is talking to me.
It comes to me. It's vibes.
I like
name
Sanya also.
vibes.
Sanya
I have another
Sanya.
one for you.
Not Saniya. I like
Sanya.
Sanya.
Oh.
Sanya.
S-
Yeah, Sanya. Correct.
Yes.
Not
Yes.
Saniya. Exactly.
yeah, for
yes.
sure, for
That's-
sure.
You chose the
Sanya.
correct. You chose the correct
Yeah.
spelling. That's the
Spelling.
one.
Great.
I have another one for her.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
But I don't know if y'all are gonna agree with
I
me.
throw punches at
I'm-
men.
I'm feeling scared.
No, I
You
do.
should be.
I've punched men before.
Mansi.
I'm out.
Throw hands, bro. Throw hands.
Okay, I want to talk about your robe for a second. Yeah. So we tried to be bougie like you. Of
Yes.
course, we didn't have the fucking budget. She did. She's wearing something nice, probably.
I love it. I love her outfit. I love her
Yeah.
outfit.
And
Fake
now
cut,
this.
yeah.
I love all it. I love
to-
all of it.
and then I decided that I was gonna have a self-care day.
I love
You're
it.
you're
That-
ruining it.
How?
You rage baited me, Mansi bitch.
Bro, okay, can I just confirm one thing? It's
Yeah.
not Manasi. It's Mansi.
That's worse.
That's
Oh,
what?
that's like so bad.
M-A-N-A says Manasi or like
No, it's Manasi.
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 You like that better, I feel.
Bitch, no, I don't
Like,
like none
yuck.
of them.
Oh.
I feel
Yeah.
like names starting from M. I was like,
No?
Yeah.
Manisha? You like Manisha?
I mean, except Maitri. Sorry.
Maitri.
completely forgot.
Straight up. Rage bait. 10 out of 10 rage bait.
Well, anyway, do you want to tell them how, like, do you get your aura from Delhi or do you get it more from Bombay, you think?
No, see, I think being born and brought up in Delhi was bad enough. No, see, okay, in Delhi, I was a loser, okay?
Okay.
That's
Okay.
just, and then when I came to Bombay, I said, now I have a chance at rebuilding my image life because nobody knows me.
Yes.
Right.
Nobody knows me, right? So then
Yeah.
I can now. What was that thing that you did?
Agreed.
Clocked it.
Clocked it.
I love how we explain this to
Everybody.
single
I love
guest.
that.
Everybody.
I'm gonna add this in my everyday behavior now.
Yes,
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 we
yes.
agree with you.
Clocked
Oh,
it.
I
I've
love that,
clocked
bro.
this
I love
tea.
that. So fun.
Yeah,
I love it.
exactly.
Yeah, keep teaching me things like this. Huh?
That's
keep
your
doing that.
That's
Yeah,
your
yeah.
version of when you do this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you
So
like
we
that?
do this.
You like that? So
We
it's
do
basically
this.
this finger hitting this part, and that's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sound. That's
I'm wondering how you're doing it because it's
can't
like
do
not
it.
as like.
No,
everyone I do
someone,
this in front of, they want to start doing it.
someone in my college used to do that a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like when I get excited though. That's more like an excitement thing. Like, oh, fuck, that's sick. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah,
We do
that's
this.
it.
We're more
fine.
subtle with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do
That's
this.
fine.
We do this.
But this is like damn normal. Like everyone knows this.
I thought y'all are telling me volume come kar or something.
No, we would say this. We would say shut up.
Yeah.
Huh, okay.
Don't worry.
Where was I? Huh.
Delhi.
So.
You're
so
a
then
lo- you were a loser back
Yeah, I
then
was a
in Delhi.
loser in Delhi, bro. Like, and then I came to Bombay and I was like, I have a chance at rebuilding my aura, everything about
Yeah.
me.
Right,
And
yeah,
then, so I was in a CBSE school till 10th, right, in Delhi.
Okay.
And I used to think, oh, all these IB A levels guys are like fucking like, you know, so cool, bro. Like the way they talk in English and this
Correct.
polished English,
Yep.
and they all their interests are so cool.
Yeah,
and stuff
yeah,
like
for
that.
sure.
So I used to look up to that. So then when I came to Bombay, there were two choices I could make. One was R and Podar, and then one was A levels. Okay, or IB. So then I did a little bit of research and I found out that the girls in A levels and IB are hotter.
Of course.
So then I went to Podar.
Enough
A-levels.
motivation.
Huh.
Yeah.
More than
Easy,
enough.
easy.
Yeah.
Did you get laid
What
a
does a
bunch?
16? Not at all. What does 16? What does a 16-year-old fucking boy
Need anything
want?
more?
Yeah.
Literally.
I was 16, 15, 16.
That's
So
more- that's
crazy.
more
like
than
Why
enough.
didn't you choose like a Bombay college, like a normal Jai Hind or something?
College नहीं होता first of all. 11th 12th is also school only. उसके बाद junior college कुछ नहीं होता.
Sir!
Junior college कुछ नहीं
Stop
होता. Guys.
it!
Oh my god.
Oh my-
That's a
that's
very
how-
Bombay
wait,
thing.
let
It is
Let
a
him
very
say it.
Bombay
Let
thing.
him
Let
say
him. Okay, fine.
Okay, till 12th is school.
No.
Because, yeah, first
Let
to
him finish his
12th
fucking thought.
is school. And then you go into college, undergrad, and then postgrad, masters, whatever.
So I'm somebody that truly believes that everybody is entitled to their wrong opinion. So have it.
You can just tell she had that one loaded up. Like she was waiting for me to finish.
yeah.
So she gets to say her
it up
little
and then
quip.
she's paranoid.
Yeah, it's the Mansi talking.
She really
It's
wanted
the
her
Mansi
little quip out. Bro. Like she really wanted.
She's not a day one. She's an op. What?
No, but you're so right. You know, like these people in CBSE and ICSE, their hobbies are also so different. Like, why are you horse riding as a hobby? Like,
Yeah,
mine is
that's
drawing.
so- that's-
Horse riding is it's helpful.
You know what I'm saying?
It's helpful.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right?
No, I don't. It's this. You want to do this.
Plug it.
But I feel like such a cheap ass when I'm
No, we
drawing for like my drawing classes,
Fair.
and they go to like, oh, today I went to play horse riding.
But we didn't grow out like that, you know?
Really?
Like, because we
you were
didn't
not
grow-
rich in Delhi?
Huh? I'm not rich now. What do you mean? I'm not rich now. I'm just irresponsible financially, bro. That's just what it is. Y'all thought I'm rich. Fuck that, bro. I'm just bad with money. That's what
Yeah,
it is.
the
bro.
robe gave it off. Sorry.
Yeah.
The robe,
I'm
the
mistaken.
Thailand, like
Yeah.
What do you mean with Thailand?
you said you just like had a trip, like a Thailand trip, right?
Yeah. So what's wrong with Thailand?
I feel
No,
like
no, that's like-
that's not priority. Saving should be priority.
Oh.
Like, you
Oh,
can
bet. I
afford
thought
that.
you were judging me for going to Thailand,
No,
which
not
like
at
every
all.
fucking person in Mumbai has done.
Yeah,
and I went for
yeah,
Fred again,
no,
so can you
I-
blame me? Come on.
No, no, no.
You
fair.
can't blame me.
Yeah.
Fair.
So what I was saying is that when I came to Bombay, and then I was like, oh, I have just chance to rebuild myself, bro. I'm gonna become so cool now. I'm just gonna be the cool guy. Like I'm just
Yeah.
gonna straight up go and I'm gonna be like, I am the cool guy.
You are it.
Because fake it till you make it. Right?
100%.
Then I went to Podar A levels, where everyone is like
Things like
super fucking cool, okay?
Yeah.
And not
Yeah.
everyone, but like a majority part,
Majority.
and like they all come from like rich families, and you know they all have wear like these expensive designer clothing and this and that, and then
Yeah.
they speak in a certain way.
Yeah.
There's a
They say
way of
truth.
they say truth, yeah. And this was also new to me being from Delhi, and then I first of all, the stupidest thing I did was when I went to Podar, I made it clear that I'm the Delhi guy. So then I'm immediately hated by everyone
Oh,
in
Yes,
the school.
but
So-
maybe you didn't know at 16.
I didn't
Correct.
know. I thought like, you know, it's
Baby
easy to be
Arnold.
cool.
Yes.
Then 11th and 12th, where I thought that I'm gonna be cool now in Bombay, were the worst 2 years because I got bullied as hell, bro. I was like,
you were
straight up
probably
bullied,
like,
bro.
people respect the capital of India. For sure, I should tell them I'm from there.
Yeah, exactly. And I thought, you know what? I'm not from here. I'm cool. I'm not from here, bro.
Yeah.
But after that, you had your glow up, no?
We're getting to that.
Oh,
We're
okay.
getting to that.
Okay.
Sorry.
It didn't help when you approach people and be like, I'm from the place that the parliament's at. Isn't that so cool?
That was a bit of a place. But,
Huh?
because, like, Parliament
Oh.
is cool.
Oh, the parliament's damn cool.
What do you mean? The
Have you been to
politics-
the Asiatic Library?
Jahangir.
She tried to shit on the Parliament, bro. She gotta be like, fuck the
But
Parliament.
like, you
bro.
can't go inside.
You can't go inside.
What do you do? Like, I'm at the parliament and then what?
I'll go
He
to
just stands at the gate.
I'll go to the Parliament. I'll go to the Parliament. I'll be like,
Um,
this is a Versace robe, bro.
So the Versace robe?
Bro, you're calling me in, bro. Modi ji. Orange Versace robe for you, baby girl. Damn.
oh my
I
god.
called Modi ji baby girl in my dream. Okay. So then. Okay, wait, we're getting
We
to my.
respect all
Guys,
politicians.
We still haven't come to my turnaround story.
I'm so
The
sorry.
redemption arc.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now college is over. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
School is over. 11th,
Yeah.
12th is over. And now it's time to go to college. Okay.
Yeah.
And I didn't get into any like great college. I thought undergrad के लिए I'll go to Manchester. और फिर मेरे grades आ गए. ठीक है?
Okay. Okay.
I've also been there. Don't worry.
तो-
Then you were like, we'll see menu
अब
match.
देख. Crazy reference, bro.
Really?
Crazy reference.
Yay!
Insane reference.
Okay.
Manchester Met is for fuck. If you went to Manchester Met, I'm sorry, bro. You a loser.
I
Okay?
didn't try, guys.
Okay.
I did not try.
Man, it's like people who didn't get into University of Manchester, they go to Manchester Met. क्योंकि उनको मिला नहीं.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyway, so then I went to Ruya. I don't know if you all
Fuck
know.
off! Fuck
Y'all
off!
know
You?
I'm gonna die.
What's so wrong with Ruya?
No, she's actually gonna die. We actually poisoned her a few minutes ago.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
No,
Okay,
Ruya is so bad.
Yeah, so
Come on,
sure.
come on, guys.
They have a
Ruya's
good campus.
That's
No.
all. That's all. That's good.
They don't.
No.
They don't.
Is it not?
No, they don't.
So
Am I-
Ruya is a very like. Fuck, I'm gonna get so cancelled for this.
I know what
Yeah,
he's gonna say. I just
Ruya is
know
a
what
very Maharashtrian.
I
girl.
knew it.
It's like
I knew it.
strongly like
Yes.
Maharashtra's in the bad type, you know? Like, straight up, bro. Okay? And I was very non-Maharashtrian type, okay?
You still are.
I still am.
Can you speak Marathi now? A little bit?
हळू मला पण पाहिजे. I don't. That means I want. मी पण मराठी
Only-
येतो मी येतो man. मी येतो hard dog like straight up.
He's only ever been to red light area.
ए, जास्ती बोलू नको मी तुझा मारून टाके.
That's exactly. Everything you're saying is something you would say to a whore.
Whoa.
He
Yeah.
says that to a mirror.
Wait, that's what you're thinking? Y'all think I'm a hoe?
Once again.
He's speaking as Marathi, sitting next to someone who also speaks as Marathi,
Yes.
being a Maharashtrian.
Oh,
Maharashtra.
no. Then you have very little excuse to not know Marathi.
No,
bro.
she does. She has very little.
She's very little. But she got us out of the cops today.
All the time.
All the time.
मला जाऊ दे. मला जाऊ दे. Did she pull the मला जाऊ दे out?
No.
No, she's a kaka.
जाऊ द्या ना.
जाऊ द्या ना.
No. See, you have to say it in the accent. Sorry, मला माहित नव्हतं. मी नवीन आहे. Sorry, काका.
It's a lot of pretty privilege
yeah,
also.
it's a lot of
Hard,
yeah.
bro. Can't lie. Yo, what's up, Shishi, man? Straight up, bro.
Yeah, this happens to her all the time. Literally. Even the
pulled
cop was like,
She pulled a
let it be.
Marathi out, bro.
no, but yeah.
You were saying, Ruya.
Yeah, so then, I mean, I thought that that'll be the worst experience of my life, but it was great because I didn't get bullied. I was
Yeah,
the
because
cool
you were
one.
better
Yeah,
than everyone
I was
else
the cool
there.
one.
Exactly.
I was the cool one there.
Finally.
And that's where I gained my confidence back. And that's where I
Amazing.
puffed my chest out and I was like, yes, this is me.
Confidence boost.
Yeah, and the other people in the college, because they were like not so used to like people coming and talking in like cool hi-fi English like me. You know, they come in, you know, I was into like rap and all that time. I used to play the piano. I mean, I still do, but like
Okay.
I do all
Did you
that.
rap in college?
Yeah, a bunch. Yeah, that's how I became a little more uncool. But that's cool.
The same thing happened to me.
Then,
The same thing happened to me.
yeah, how?
First you finish.
Oh, okay. So then that happened, and then I got my confidence back. Then Ruya, and also like I made some crazy great friends in Ruya.
Really? You still
Yeah.
stuck with them?
Huh? Yeah. Fuck yeah. I have a Ruya friend group, and that's one of my closest friend groups. Those three of my boys,
Sweet.
Shreedeep, Umang, and Shashank. All three of
That's
them.
amazing,
So
you know,
cute.
Yeah.
because
That's
sometimes
so
like the
cute.
colleges that you don't expect to have fun, you have the most fun.
Exactly. Like the first day of college, we had this freshers event. Okay.
And you attended.
Yeah.
You were in attendance.
Of course, bro. There was alcohol involved.
Okay,
And I was
okay.
18, 19-year-old guy, bro. Like
Yeah.
alcohol, girls, and a club. How me and
Side
baby,
way.
damn.
So
Look,
you got laid a bunch in Ruya?
No. In Ruya, I was dating this one girl I knew from Delhi. Okay, horrible.
Long
Then-
distance.
No. She had shifted. She was an NMIS. Okay.
Keeps
I've dated- I've dated four serious relationships in my life.
Okay.
3 of them married now.
Was the first one really difficult for you?
The
Not
marriage.
really.
All of them are
Not
hot,
really.
no?
No, only one of them was the latest one.
Oh, that is fine.
Yeah.
That is fine.
Yeah.
Was any of them difficult for you to digest? Ki fuck yaar, shaadi ho gayi iski.
None.
Because they were ugly, no?
If the latest one gets out, I'll kill myself. I'll kill myself.
No,
Okay.
I've heard this from a lot of guys. Like they do say it. Like they know that they are dating someone, and then they know maybe even if it's like not gonna work out, and if she gets married to someone else, she's like, bro, that's the end of me. That's the fucking end.
No, I
for
didn't
me."
feel this with any of them.
Yeah, just the latest one girl for all guys.
Yeah. Whenever I see her, you know what I remember?
Mansi.
That one reel where she's saying, I used to see them all before they were famous. I used to see them all before they were famous, bro. Straight up, bro. I was straight up see them all, bro. Y'all don't know what DHH is, bitch. I know what DHH is.
Okay. Can I?
Second person hates her because of this, but no one knows the context to this.
Can you hold my hand?
Yes. No one knows the
I was
context
doing
to
a
that.
bit.
Yeah.
I was acting like the kind of person that would do that.
Oh,
pick
so
me,
it was
pick me.
it was taken out of context.
It was taken
Yes.
out of context. And it says it in the fucking caption.
Everyone took it out of context.
Yes.
I know, it's so horrible because Char Diwari saw it.
This is how PR companies work, guys. Y'all realize this is PR control, like PR damage.
We learned it the hard way.
Yeah.
The hard fucking way. I mean, people still bring it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
And you're like, I can never move past this.
I can never move past that.
Where were you when? Where were you when? She loves it. She loves it.
Got it.
She loves it. She's creasing right. I don't know. She's creasing right there.
She's red in the fucking face.
Absolutely creasing.
Oh shit, bitch! Look how she fucking switched up. Okay, wait. So,
She shouted fucking do your podcast.
our producer's so strict.
We love our
Guys,
producer.
So, wait, what was I fucking saying? We have an idea to do this thing where we do it in Inkalab style video. I also want to bring that up.
For my
we want to
song?
do an Inkalab style. No, for that video. Where I pause every 2 sentences and explain myself.
Yeah.
Will you react to it?
Yeah, yes.
Will
yes,
you react to
yes. Fuck yes.
Collab,
Yes.
bitch.
I'm
Collab.
gonna rip you into two. Bro. I'm gonna rip you into two.
Just do it.
Is that a sexual connotation?
No.
Thank you. Alright, hold on. So, I want to talk about Callast.
Right.
I think he is. I want to just talk to him like a regular, like as if like I don't know him. I want to meet him outside a bar and have a conversation with him because
Yeah.
I don't think he's real.
Bro, he'd be a fun guy to talk to. You know, I talk to him like on a
Really?
regular. Like,
Oh my
on a
God.
regular.
Okay.
Bro, our DMs are like, you'll keep scrolling.
Shut up.
Yeah, he's a nice guy.
Oh.
He's a chill guy, bro. He's like,
Really?
yeah, he's
He
a very-
reached out. You reached out.
No, I only reached out, I think. I don't know, something that we were...
Like,
in
sorry-
the start-
sorry, brother.
No. In the start, we were planning to do like a video where him and I are together. I was planning to like get him out to Mumbai and then we were going to do this whole thing where him and I are together. And, you know,
Ooh.
but then he's like, I'm not going to the content thing. I'm just going to the music. I'm like, fair.
Okay.
Everybody doesn't have the it factor.
Yeah,
But like, it's
yeah.
cool.
Yeah. Fuck economics.
Mujhe aati trapaholics, bitch. Pura Navy, yeah. Feel like I'm supersonic, bitch. पैसा है एक disease and that shit chronic, bitch. मेरे प्रोफेसर को भी आती है bloodnomics, bitch. Oh, I love that.
Love it.
I love that.
We
bro.
love Callast in this
I
house.
fucking
We
love
do.
you, Callast.
Fucking love Callast. Yes.
Run it up जैसे मैं 15 का.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Run it up जैसे मैं 17 का.
Plug it.
I was tweaking on that stage. I said, truck, no, you can have more swag now.
Bars.
Riding in the 4x4, sector 50 se hoon, you can even up the score. Bitch. Lightning McQueen जैसे Thunderbolt. और मेरी माँ बोली, callist out of control.
Ooh.
Yo.
Oh my god.
Guys, we gotta make this a
Bar for
subscription
bar.
video because
Bar
we need to
for
pay for
bar.
this.
Bar for bar.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That was amazing.
Who would you compare Collis to in the music industry in the West? Who is he? He's a budding artist. Who would you compare him to? Think.
ASMR.
Sorry.
Yeah.
In the
In the
West.
Western music industry. Like, is
I
he...
know what callist wants me to say.
Ooh,
Okay,
say it.
Playboy Cardi.
Playboy Cardi.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But,
huh.
You know, there's no one quite like him. There's no one quite like Callist. Because I feel like Callist is a rare guy because he is self-aware.
Yeah.
He is self-aware, you know? The more you talk to him, the more you realize he's a smart guy. I joined one of his lives and then all his fans, like he has fans, bro.
Yeah.
And then all his fans were like, bhai, ye Anuj phir se aa gaya.
Oh no.
They hate me, bro.
Holy shit.
They hate me. Even though Callist doesn't hate I don't think Callist hates me, bro.
Yeah, I mean, you're like talking so much.
We boys. Even right now, I put up this thing where I couldn't claim my Apple Music like artist account, and then he already said, "Ki bro, send me a screenshot. Like, let me figure this out for you and stuff like that." What a sweet,
Oh, that's
sweetheart,
so
bro.
sweet and
That's so
considerate.
Yeah, and he has a humor about him. Like he understands the satire behind these videos.
I'm obsessed with that one video where he's doing a fit check and then he's like, this is custom from Bangladesh.
600.
600. 600 what?
A kid got from Bangladesh.
Who?
600.
I think he's talking about like a
And he-
street shop, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think I also think he looks like he's tall. Dude, you know I get this a
He's
lot.
not tall?
He's very tall. It looks like. I have
Exactly.
not met him,
Acha, okay.
but it
Acha.
looks like in the videos. Even when he was standing in it, Bob Hari Hari Om. Alright, so
Kaggy.
basically this guy standing next to him, and he was looking very. I get this a lot that people DM me saying, "Bro, you look tall," and then when they
You
meet
do.
me in real life, they're like, "Oh, you're not that tall."
No, I think because of the way you take your videos, it's like an angle, so it makes you look taller. But when you came in right now, I was like, oh.
Should I do
Yo,
that?
yo, one sec, bro. One sec,
I
bro.
have a question for you. Since you already got rage baited, इसमें ही निकाल देते हैं. How tall do you wish you were?
All right, Ben.
I want something better.
Farol?
How funny do you think you wish you would be?
What? How funny do you think you wish you would be?
How funny
Hug
you wish
diya.
you would be?
How funny?
You wish you would be.
I wish I would be. I think I'm funny as hell,
He's
bro.
funny. He's not
Yeah,
tall, babe.
He's not tall.
Ah.
Fair, sorry.
I prefer being funnier over. I hate tall guys, bro. I fucking hate tall guys. They got
Why?
it too easy, bro. They got it too easy, bro. Honestly, bro. We short guys have to work for it, bro. Like we
Yeah,
gotta put in the
they
work.
have to work for a
We
personality.
gotta put in the work for
Yeah.
everything. We have to put in the shift, bro. Tall guys just have to. Oh, look at me. I'm fucking 6 feet tall.
Tall guys in
Yeah.
Delhi are different than the ones in Bombay.
Yeah, like you, especially tall, lanky guys. Like you know, tall, thin guys with जिनका यहाँ से wrist bone pop out करता है. Fuck, I hate them, bro. I punch them, bro.
मेरा
So
खड़ा हो गया
specific.
भाई.
That's her type.
That's my
That's your type, tall, lanky guys with the little wrist bone popping out, Adam's apple and everything.
Yes.
Oh God.
Even
Fuck.
you like that.
Yeah.
Yuck,
Have you
guys.
not seen my
It's
reels?
amazing, dude.
Yeah, because nobody likes the short, stocky, built guy. Fuck, man.
Sorry.
Dad bods does it for me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wait.
मैं अभी उतार दूँगा.
No, but I have observed this. Like a lot of short guys, you know, like who are around 5'6", 5'7", उनमें बहुत कीड़े होते हैं. They are like very excited. उनमें बहुत ऐसा मस्ती होती है. They always want to do something, say something.
Because we are always overcompensating.
That's there, yeah, correct.
Oh, by the way, I asked Inkla if I could like promote my new single on there.
You have music?
Yeah, I just came out with a single. I don't know.
What the
It's
hell?
called Bombay Baddie.
Okay, so who's it
Yeah.
about?
Who's it-
It's
yeah, who's it
about
about?
no one. It's about me as an andheri guy trying to be all sober and try to take out this Bombay baddie who never has time for me because she's too posh and
Right.
bougie. So
Right.
all her interests are very bougie and my
She
and
horse rides.
basically she's a horse rider, bro.
Right.
And then our it's just stark contrasts of our life. It's actually very poetic, the song, because it's about the stark contrasts in our life. Like, there's a line where I say, I'm Prabha Devi. You gotta bear with me. I'm a hustler, baby. She in BKC. I might meet her, maybe. Oh no, the next train's ladies. 'Cause
Hard.
I can't take the next train because
Hard.
Wait, that's
Whoa.
hot. That's hot.
What the fuck? Can you
Okay.
do it Inkalab style now?
All right.
We'll edit it.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Am I in the end class?
This
right
is
now?
wait. What do we
Bombay
call
Baddie.
it?
Yeah.
Bombay Baddie.
Okay, it's not
Alright.
Inkalab. It's something else.
All right. Hey, she a Bombay baddie. I came from Andheri, she wouldn't even look at me. I ride around town with a black cab cabbie. She managed her lifestyle, but I ain't Zavi. Alonzo Hernandez, new blood, call me Gabby. I'm trying to get the bag while you getting so chatty. I'm putting in the work, you know, it's all natty. She wanna go Bastion, man, I'm having Maggie.
Ooh!
I'm getting the...
Hey!
She got
Dude,
a couple fans on her Instagram. I'm in her DM request like an Insta fan. She got a couple dudes on her roster, man. She a Bombay body with a spray on tan. I'm in Prabha Dev. You gotta bear with me. I'm a hustler, baby. She in BKC. I might meet her, maybe. Oh no. The next train's ladies, ooh. And the next train's ladies. She ride around town in an S Mercedes. All her friends are rich. Yeah, her matey. She likes my song, so I might just say these. Ooh, she a Bombay Betty.
No way.
It's too
Like,
good.
no way.
It's-
We did not know you had this game.
It's too good.
Wait, you sure you want this to be on air because people are going to listen to this for free?
I mean, it's out on all streaming platforms right now, baby girl. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Straight up.
You have a stage name or what?
It's Anuj.mp4. I used to go by It's Your Boy Anuj. So I have many other rap.
It's your boy Anush's ass.
It's too
Yeah,
ass. It's too
yeah,
ass, bro. I was
very
so cringe.
wannabe.
I was a cringe teenager, bro. I was
But
crazy
it's
cringe.
good. It's good that you
Then
had
I
that
became
phase.
self-aware. And now I'm self-aware cringe. Like, you know, there's a difference.
Valid.
I'm now
100%
self-aware
get it.
cringe.
Yeah.
You know, like people think, yeah, oh, this Versace rope thing, what is he doing? He doesn't he realize it's cringe as hell. I realize it's cringe as hell.
Yeah.
And you still do it.
But it's a character that I'm playing, right? And it's a
Yeah.
bit that I'm doing.
Exactly.
And if you don't commit to the bit, then what kind of an artist are you, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just
Exactly.
live in the cringe.
I love it.
If you
Own it.
I love
can't,
it.
you can't riff somebody's bit, then what kind of a person are you?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And by the way, guys, if you can't tell in the age that we're in, cringe sells.
Cringe sells.
Literally.
Cringe
Fully.
sells, bro.
How do you think we got
How do
viral?
you think Urfi Javed made her career?
100%.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's not even just Urfi Javed. There are like people that are watching these other like Urfi Javed like
Style creators.
style creators. It's a
Yeah.
whole economy.
Yeah. Cringe sells.
Also,
Being funny sells.
sells.
Right.
Being aesthetic anymore as much as before doesn't sell as much.
no,
Yeah.
I don't want to
Yeah.
watch you make breakfast for the 18,000th
Stop
time.
being
I
so
don't.
perfect all the time.
Exactly. I don't
Yeah.
want to see your 18-step skincare routine.
Exactly.
I really
because
like-
it's not real. Like,
not real.
It's, bro, being raw and authentic. That's what sells, bro. Like,
Yeah.
bro, people put so much effort into their videos, making everything look perfect, this and that. मैं बेंचो देख phone front cam पे मेरी nostrils बड़ी बड़ी दिख रही है भाई straight up on the cam, bro. And I'm just playing. Sometimes I don't even have the shave,
Yeah.
not prim and proper, not touched
And
up.
it's on Snapchat.
Okay, it's how do you know?
The filters.
The filters. Oh, everything I go on Snapchat and save it. By the way.
Same.
Everything.
Storage.
Oh, bro. No, not just that, but I'll get it. But still, not
You
just
don't
that.
have iCloud?
I have 200 GB of iCloud, which is full. Now I have to get 1 TB.
Okay.
Because my work and all also now I have too much on my phone.
Right,
Bro, I should have
yeah.
gotten a more storage phone. Anyway,
okay.
with the next
Throw it.
brand deals money. But yeah, bro. So that's why like what I'm doing is I don't care कि तुमको अच्छा लगे कि नहीं content.
Correct.
तुम लोग वो देख रहे हो जो मेरी मर्जी what I put
Yeah.
my wish
Yeah.
and you all are still liking it. I love that.
Yeah.
Because you know I put out what I think is funny. The
Correct.
algorithm is a myth. I post whatever I want.
Yeah.
So that's what it is, and I think that's the new age, bro. Like that's the next age of creators is just gonna be people who are raw and authentic, not prim and proper.
Yes.
Like, you know
I
what I'm
see
saying?
that, and I see some budding ones already.
Yeah.
Like people
Yeah.
that are, I would put in the same category
Bala.
as you.
Arpit Bala is so raw, bro.
Bro, he's
Arpit
been
Bala
doing
is
it also for a
very
while.
raw.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something though? I feel like Arpit Bala might get cancelled at some point in time because sometimes he does cross a line. Although I think he is very funny. Like every time he speaks, I'm
But
like,
also he's a little like, once you reach a point where you've done those kind of things that he's done, you're a little uncancelable also at one point. Like, you become uncancelable.
But then I
Samir
feel
Raina,
people will
he's
find-
uncancelable, bro.
Yeah, at this
Fair.
point he is.
Fair.
Also, I feel like there are a lot of, I don't know if you guys have seen her. Do you guys know Shri Creates?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Dude,
dude,
we've
I
been
love-
following each other for like a while now.
I love her.
Yeah,
I
she's
love her.
really-
Who's this?
She's just
I'm married.
I'm married.
I'm married.
I'm married.
I love
She's
her.
unhinged.
I love her.
She's so
Yeah,
unhinged.
she's
Yes.
crazy, bro.
Dude,
and everyone who's
Too good.
Like, there has to be, like, I'm sure with me also, there has to be something wrong with you a little bit.
A little
Yes.
A
bit.
little bit, there has to be something
Yes.
wrong
Yes.
with you. And the people who are self-aware about what's wrong with them, they are.
They've made
They
it
get too
because
into their head about it. Then.
I'm also like that only, bro. Because I
Okay.
overthink like crazy, bro. Like, you all have no
Do you talk
heart.
to yourself?
I like out loud.
No,
no,
just in your head all the time.
But like actually I do sometimes also out loud. Like, you know, I'll think of a
Same,
funny idea
same.
and then I'll say it out loud to see if it sounds funny to me.
Yes.
Like, you know, like I'll just be like, I don't know, like I'll just think of some joke and I'll be like, is this funny? Is this funny? And oh, it is funny.
I also do this thing. I pull out the Snapchat
Yeah.
and I record it and I
Yeah.
watch it again.
Exactly. And y'all don't even want to know how many times I watch my own videos, bro.
Oh my
I
God.
watch my own video,
I
my own
watch- you
story. Like,
should.
I'm just swiping through my own story all the
Everyone.
time.
I'm so
Everyone
sad
does
when my
that.
story's gone.
Yeah,
so sad.
It was like,
Yes,
what a
the-
cool song I put. Why is my
Exactly.
I even love my archives.
Yeah.
Like, I go through my
bro. I go all
archives.
the time, bro. all
So
the time.
funny.
And people would say that's self-obsessed. No, that's just
Self-love.
self-love, and that's
Self-aware,
curation, bro. Like, you know, you're curating
Oh
what
my
you
god,
should.
yes,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
Curation.
Yeah, it's curation. Like, I will look back at my story and be like, okay, this was cool, this was not so cool,
Yeah.
this was very cool, and I know कि अब से जो मैं stories डालूंगा ना, उसमें there should be more of those cool elements. Now
Yeah.
everything I've come up with this aesthetic. So now I want to delve more into like fashion lifestyle content also.
Right.
Okay.
I want to branch out of just comedy content and become a personality, right?
Okay.
So to be able to do that, I want to click cool, absurd photos of myself, very Ranveer Singh-esque, like, you know, just out loud, expressive, you know.
And I think that will work for you.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That's
it
what I
will.
want to do. So
Right.
now, in order to do that, I have to, you know, little bit be okay with the fact कि शायद इसको इतने views नहीं मिलेंगे, शायद मैं इतना वो नहीं होऊंगा.
Yeah.
But page तो मेरा है ना.
Yeah.
I'll post
At the end
what
of
I
the day, you
want.
can do what you
Yeah.
want. Yeah.
And then,
And at the end of it, you'll just know who the real ones are.
yeah,
They're
exactly.
gonna come to you
Yeah.
for you
Is-
and not for the
people,
algorithm.
I thought people would just leave once I start. I did already post them cool, like I just one day rented a camera, called my friend over, and then we clicked some pictures and then I posted them. And so now I'm gonna do that on a larger scale. Like, I'm gonna like get brands involved and be like, send me your clothes and I'll wear them and I'll style them in a funky way. I don't know, do some makeup or
Yeah, I
something. I don't
know.
even mind doing that, bro.
I'll send you Donatella's number.
Yeah, who's that? Who's Donatella?
Donatella
Versace.
Oh, y'all on
Versace.
first name basis?
Oh yeah, she
But like,
watches us.
why don't you know who Donatella
No, I knew
is
that.
with that?
I knew that. 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 Boop, boop, boop.
No, we are not cutting.
No,
We
we're
are
not
not-
cutting
I
that.
said boop.
No, we got veto. We got veto here.
Oh no!
Exactly. It's all a scam. This is an illusion of
I knew Donatella Versace because I've seen the show, but I didn't clock it when you
the
said it.
show and not
which-
the fucking personality.
No, I didn't clock it when she said it, bro. Like,
What show are you talking about
now it-
anyway?
bro. Oh, now.
Oh, there was a show
on,
on
on
There
Netflix.
was a show, but also like I think Donatella Versace is bigger than her
Yeah.
fucking show.
Yeah, but first
Yeah,
name, I didn't
fully.
understand. Like, I didn't clock it the minute you said it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay,
Fuck,
it's
give
okay.
me some leeway, bro. Like, cut me
Fuck
some
you,
fucking
I know
slack,
it.
bro.
Guess
Cut me
it,
some
यार,
fucking
guess it.
slack, यार. हाँ, bro.
At the end of the day,
ये
guess
लड़ना चाहती है क्या मेरे से अभी?
Cut the cameras, bro. I'm so sorry. That is no way to speak to a guest. That is no way to speak to a guest.
okay. He's like, ये लड़ना चाहती है क्या मेरे से अब bench show?
Getting ready. Your Delhi came out for real.
Yeah.
I want to ask actually, how are Delhi people okay with spending like a fucking 20K at a bar on a Thursday? Like, how is that normal at all?
No, that happens here as well.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, trust
that
me.
happens here.
Bro,
It happens
don't mind,
so
don't mind.
here.
Hey, bro, going out has become a really expensive endeavor.
Very.
Yeah.
I
Guys.
step out of the house, $1,000 are deducted.
Yeah.
I'm like,
no,
okay.
I'm just saying, like, going out has become a very okay. Now just think about your usual night out, okay? You're going. You're obviously not gonna have dinner at home, right? You're gonna go out only and have like, you know, you're gonna have some good
Yeah.
food. You have some good food. You get some alcohol. You rack up a bill about 4-5K.
Yeah,
It's not like you're gonna go to just
easily.
one place.
Yeah.
You're gonna go to another place. Okay?
For the desserts.
Yeah. Okay. So then I usually now find it more convenient to book a driver and take your own car than pay for Ubers because that's more cost effective.
Shut up.
It is. I'll tell you why. You have your own car, okay?
Yeah.
So then you booking an Uber from say your house to town or
Yeah,
something,
yeah,
600
yeah.
bucks, 700 bucks, then
makes
coming back
so
600,
much
700
sense.
bucks. For 8 hours, I'm getting a driver for $1,000. So then,
Ooh.
so then it's way more cost effective, and I'm not going in a fucking Wagoner.
Okay,
Yes.
life hack. Life hack.
bro. Life hack. Just
Guys,
book
follow this
Drive
shit.
You. Drive You is an app where you can get drivers on freelance basis. Or I just have a guy, bro. I call him. He comes for like he has like a network of drivers. So anyone who's around the
Yeah,
area,
if he's not available,
he'll send one,
Yeah.
and for $1,000, 8 hours, bro. What a fucking godsend, bro.
Yeah,
like you,
that's
and you can go whatever. You don't have to sit around waiting for your Uber to come. You don't have to fucking do anything. You can do whatever the fuck you want in your car,
And
whatever
so
the fuck you want in your
safer.
car. So yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
If you
that-
want to have a bank in the back, go for it. I haven't done that.
And where is the driver at this point in time?
No.
Oh, he's wanking with you.
She knows what's up. She knows what's up, bro. She knows what's up. So yeah, next time don't book Ubers. Just get a driver, bro. Straight up.
Straight up. get a
Okay,
driver.
so now you're at the another second place.
Yeah.
You're drinking there also.
Correct.
This entire thing comes out to 7, 8, sometimes 10K per person, bro. This happens.
It does.
Yeah.
It does.
Y'all don't realize it because you're just like kind of there. ठीक है, हाँ, split. वो split
Yeah.
में भी उतना हो रहा
Yeah,
है, bro.
correct,
Y'all
correct,
Y'all
correct.
are
Also,
not
we are
realizing it.
girls.
Yeah. So y'all don't pay.
A lot of times you get
No,
drinks
not
bought
really.
for you.
Yeah. See, now
It's not
that's a
the
hack y'all
drinks.
have.
Bought also, but then sometimes it hurts my ego.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
It just gets to me. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna pay for next 3 shots of yours.
Oh.
Oh, fuck off.
Oh shit. Straight
Yeah.
up. Okay, so
She's our bank.
if y'all are going on a date, first date.
Yeah.
The age-old question. I'm gonna ask y'all the age-old question.
Okay.
Do y'all expect the guy to pay, or do y'all offer to split it, or what's the scene?
Whoever decides on the date pays.
No, I'd say split.
No.
Split on the
It's that
first
ego
date.
talking, bro.
But
Yeah.
split on the first date is so friendship.
Yeah, I would
Ooh,
love.
I agree.
Yeah,
exactly.
I
agree,
would love,
agree.
you know, if it meanders from a friendship to a relationship place. I don't want it from the beginning.
Yeah,
that,
you've always
oh,
been
you
like
know,
that though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want it from the beginning. Like, oh, I
But-
bought you dinner. Now
But
I expect a second date.
the
or something like that.
connotations are set on the first date. Whether this is gonna be a friend scene or a freaky scene.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah.
set
You
on
get
the
a
first.
hint, yeah.
You get
Yeah,
a hint.
you
You
get
know
a
what I'm
hint.
saying?
Correct.
And also, like, boys be doing the most, bro. Like, boys be doing the most. Like, in terms of like they do too much. Okay, on the
No,
first
they
date.
don't.
No, as in
Yes,
not in
yes,
terms
they
of.
do.
I'm saying in a bad, in a creepy way.
Oh,
Like in a creepy way, like you know,
okay.
they try to make it so obvious, ki bro. Acha, listen. Like, I hope we're hooking up at the end of this, bro.
Yeah,
like, I
yeah.
hope, like, this is happening, bro.
Let me pull this
Yeah,
chair
let
for
me-
you.
let me do this.
Oh,
Let me open
yeah.
this. Like, I hope
Let me
after
open
me
the door for
spending
you.
all 1,500
Yeah.
rupees on this date, I'm gonna get some.
Yeah.
I better fucking get some after spending 1,500 bucks on this date, bro.
Holy shit.
And that's why they're doing too much. Like, they gotta be a little chill, bro. Like, you
They're
gotta
like
They do.
hookup ka or vape ka rate same hai.
Huh. Like, you gotta check the vibe. Okay, see, there's the 3-date rule is a good rule. Okay?
Yes.
Because in 3 dates, you can you can be able to tell properly if this is a scene or not.
Yes.
Yeah. You know what? I think
Explains
it's
it.
incredible that you are so authentically yourself.
Thank you so much.
It's
man.
actually so
Thank you
like
so
no,
much.
it's like it's so commendable.
Yeah.
I love
Yeah.
it. Like the story that you said about like I would not be able to say that on camera right now. Maybe in like the next 4 years, I think I'll get to a level of shameless that I can.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, true.
No, but it was such a defining moment in my life that I
Right.
feel like I'm so past it now, bro. Like, I'm so past it. Now, the thing is that, like, I've grown since then, now, bro. Like,
You
And
have.
it's-
When?
it's
How
like-
long ago was this?
this was a good 3-4 years ago.
Huh, then it's,
3-4
and the
years
fact
ago.
that we can see
Everyone-
that this happened to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's growth.
Yeah.
Because now, you know, like, I vet every single, like, small detail about a situation to know whether this is the right thing to do or not.
I thought that
Yeah.
statement
Yeah,
was
same,
going, I
same,
wet
same.
every pussy. But then I was like, oh, you wet.
Very
No, so you said,
self-aware,
you said you wet. You had to say
Vet.
vet.
Yeah, I said vet, though, didn't I? Or did I say
You said wet.
But I was a
Wet. Yes.
vet.
Correct.
Vet.
W.
Vet. Okay.
VW.
Or maybe he thought it was actually WET. But you can also tell that you were uncool at some point in time.
Oh,
No, but
shit,
that's
what that
such a
story was
compliment. That's such a compliment. No, that is
That
such
means
But
that
I
I'm
think
cool
it's
now.
always a compliment.
Yeah.
But you know, you're supposed to have a
yeah,
ugly phase.
because that's the
Character
Yeah,
development.
Yeah.
character arc. My arc was like from I was, I think, a little bit cool in school, and then it's a major dip, okay, in high school.
right.
Yes.
Then maybe thoda sa above, okay, and no, actually no, down only, 11, 12 also down only. Then ruya happened, okay, then up. Because then I'm like, okay, मैं हूँ cool. Like, that's when I realized मैं हो सकता हूँ cool.
Potential
ठीक
है.
You were
Potential है.
greenhouse, no?
हाँ?
in school.
How did you know?
You get greenhouse.
Yo!
Yeah.
That's
my
crazy.
talent.
But
That's
yo,
my
How's
talent.
she done that though? Actually, in our
I'm not
school,
Mansi, but you're greenhouse.
in our school there used to be houses were named after like traits. So my school greenhouse, what you all would call it, was called gratitude. House gratitude. Then there was house aspiration, which was red, and some other.
We had
fuck all.
saints.
We had
With
saints.
Oh,
Because it was a convent
what
school.
school were you all in?
It doesn't matter.
Lame.
Lame.
Eva by Petit.
No,
No.
JB Petit, no.
No.
Hari Om.
Oh my god, Sanjana's getting so turned on.
The fuck? I can do it on command. That doesn't
I
turn
thought
me
you
on.
were into dads.
That's
Dad
Papa.
bod.
That's not dad. That's Papa.
Whoa.
Don't disrespect
Whoa.
Papa like that. Nuh-uh.
Can we boop the burps then?
No, I bet some people find it hot.
No, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not so sure anymore, bro. I'm not so sure anymore.
Dude, you know, we have this really cool segment that we do at the end of all of our videos where we ask our guest to bring out something, the most useless thing in their bag or their pocket.
Yeah.
Do you have something for us? You didn't get anything?
I had my bag in the car. My phone only in my pocket.
What do you have in your
Aw.
bag? Tell us.
I have my laptop. I have this hard drive. I have a I have a connector. I have
Okay,
a charger.
if it's not your something that you possess right now, we would like to see what your last search history was.
Exactly.
Oh, shit,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Last
Can I
search
see it
history.
first myself?
No.
no,
You
no.
have to
Search
say it.
history on what? On Google?
Whatever browser you use most, Safari or Google.
No, I use the Google app.
I saw your
Oh, you're
password
a
also.
Barca fan.
On
Huh?
incognito.
You're a
Yeah, I am a
fan.
Barca fan. Is that a red flag?
I'm
Or-
fucking
No.
What do you mean?
Okay. Yeah, because Barca sounds lame.
I don't know what that is.
It's a
Football. FC Barcelona,
FC
man.
Barcelona.
Ball knowledge, bro. Straight up.
FC Barcelona is the one that I wore this fucking FC Barcelona jersey. I know it was Madrid, sorry. I don't know what that.
Boop the whole episode right now. Boop the whole fucking episode, bro. इसका SD card दे भाई मुझे. इसका SD card ला के दे भाई मुझे.
We need you to do the last.
Oh yeah, you have to do that.
We see you
I'm so
trying to make an
scared.
excuse. Huh?
Yeah.
Y'all
Start
caught on to
on
that?
Epic on that.
They
You,
caught on to
you
that?
see, huh? You see, huh?
Okay, cool.
No cheating.
I'm so scared.
What is it?
So read them out one by one. Not just analytics. Instagram video downloader. Instagram downloader. Puma Speed Cat. UEFA Champions League.
What is Puma Speed
I
Cat?
had gone for the Puma event and
Speed Cat क्या होता है?
they were sending me shoes. I wanted to see which shoes they're sending me and
And
how
I
much
can
they
tell
cost.
you-
Good.
And I can tell you these ones are from like 2 days ago.
UEFA Champions League.
Yes.
FC Barcelona because there was a match.
Yeah.
Ray-Ban Meta glasses. YouTube video downloader. 16 Pro. Atletico Madrid. Not even 17 Pro. 16 Pro. Aukat. Atletico Madrid versus Real Madrid. What you mean by that meme? Oviedo versus Barcelona. Barcelona versus PSG. Tottenham versus Wolves. Real Madrid.
Okay, that is a red flag then. Now I'm convicted.
Way too much football stuff out
Too
there.
much football. You like balls a lot.
When you put it like that. How do I even answer that question, bro?
It's a yes or no, bitch.
Yo. Yo. Allow me some balls, bro. Shut up. Catch me hanging off the scrotum, bro. What?
Yo, what?
What happened?
Don't catch
who
me
said that?
hanging
Who said
with
that?
no scrotum. You know, this is a fantastic place to end the episode on a high.
Amazing.
Anuj, why don't you tell them where to follow you, what your work is? You know, they should
Yes, plug
let
yourself.
them know.
Amazing.
Plug yourself.
I'm Anuj Jordan P4 on Instagram. Y'all can find my
Hey.
music also on Apple Music, Spotify, Bombay Baddie. Stream it now. And it was lovely being here. Please follow Besharam. It's one of the Besharam. What a South Bombay way to say it. Please follow Besharam.
I thought you were making fun of the name. I was going to
No.
slap you.
No. My friend Nikhil already did that on Imposters.
Nick-
Oh no.
Right.
Oh, so we're beefing with you now.
Yeah.
Oh shit. No, he's a nice guy, I swear.
Okay.
All right. Plug your stuff.
Yes. Follow Aljoda before follow Besharam. I'll catch
Hey.
you on the next one.
Yeah. And guys, while you're on YouTube, oh bhai,
Oh, yeah.
हमें भी तो करना है ना?
If we give
हमें
them
भी
an
तो करना है।
emoji to comment at the end of it to let us know
Yeah.
that they've watched till the end. So do
Okay.
you have an emoji in mind that you want to give them?
I think
There
the
is a
first-
Water.
Versace. There is a Versace emoji. I
Versace
think.
emoji. The robe emoji.
robe.
The
The
yellow
robe,
robe
the robe
emoji.
emoji.
Yellow robe
Valid.
emoji.
Don't forget to comment the robe emoji down. And also, while you're at it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with your fans,
Yeah.
with his
With
fans, with
any labubra you know.
any
Any
labubra
Labubski, yeah.
send it them.
And while you're not on Spotify, if you're on Spotify, if you're listening to this on Spotify, give us a
Do it on Apple Music, bro.
Apple
It's not.
Podcast.
Oh,
Yeah.
Apple Podcast.
But give us a 5-star rating wherever you're listening to this. And yeah.
If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you like our reels, comment nice things, yeah,
Please.
and then
Follow us.
yeah,
Follow
follow
kar,
us,
Follow
share
kar.
this with his fans, our fans,
Yeah.
With
everyone.
And be so nice to us in our DMs.
Yep.
Until next time,
Stay patient.
Bye-bye.
Bye.